Now we're going to learn how to do a Stegosaurus, the third video in our dinosaur series. You're going to start with a medium brush and load it up with a light purple. And as always, if the child picks another color, that's okay. Draw a curved line and then fill it in so it's kind of a half circle shape, like a taco. Have an oval on the side here. That'll be the head. Come out a little ways from the body and then unite this line with the spine. Straighten out the bottom, and that way you have a tail. Then you're going to come down on either side with some thick legs. And you could do two more on the inside, slightly shorter if there's room. Okay, so there's the main body. Now you want to take a contrasting color. Normally I just do a dark purple here. And you're going to do the spikes down his back. So start small with the end of the tail, and then gradually let them get larger and larger. And they can get small again towards the end of the neck there. Now take your detail brush, load it with black, give him an eye, and a little smiley face. And there you have it, a little Stegosaurus.